Sup everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create fangs for your VRoid character, because every time you mess with any of the expressions, whether it's right here or in the face editor, they don't transfer over when you export, so it's pretty much useless. The only reason it would be useful is for thumbnails. So under camera exporter, export. If you haven't done this already, export your model, put your information, click OK. The other thing we're going to be using is Unity. I'm going to be using this version of Unity. The other thing we're going to be using is, so this version, I'll have this in the description below. On here, go to New, on the down arrow, click the version you want, which is the version I'm going to be using. Go here, once it opens, and we're going to add in the UniVRM. Click import, click accept all, click close. So first thing you're going to want to do in here is create a new folder. I already created it. It's for the model, and we're going to go VRM 0 import, and we're going to go and add in our character. Now you're just going to go and add it into the Unity file. So click on the folder that you just created, save. Alright, so now that our character is in Unity, take her to the scene, click on the blend shapes, click on the one that will look like this, and for every single one of the ones that you have in here, you're gonna want to add in your fangs. So go to face, and you're gonna want to go down to whatever ones your face was. So for every single blend shape, you want to add in the fangs for the exact same amount that you added in for one of the blend shapes. And as you can see, I added in the fangs for all of her blend shapes already. Alright, so now that you're done with all the blend shapes, you're going to want to export your character. So the character that we dragged into the scene, just click on her, VRM, export, put in all your information, export, make sure to export it out of Unity. We're going to go to VSeeFace, so if you don't already have that, it's a free download, or if you have Lupit, you can use that instead. I'll have all these in the description below. So go to VSeeFace, and you're going to go and add an avatar. Add the avatar you just created. Click on it, click select. As you can see, she has her fangs. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing, or leaving a comment. I hope you have an awesome day. Later.